Hey, welcome back to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today, I'm going to show you how to eat on a budget. So I'm sure you're aware, meat prices just keep going up and up and up. So today, I'm going to show you how to have steak on a budget. So the chuck is cut right after the ribeye. The ribeye is usually the first 4 bones, then they cut the 5th one, and that starts your chuck roll. Well, that first cut part of the ribeye, they just use it in the chuck. You can take that out of a chuck roast if you know what you're looking for in the store. Pull it out, and you have 2 steaks and then some steak tips in there that you can get for like $5 a pound. You gotta make sure it looks like this. Has a nice eye here. You don't want to get something like this. This is too far into the chuck. See, there's no like real eye to it, and there's no Denver to it. Still good for braising and pot roast or sous videing for 24 hours. The other ones I showed you, that's the ones you want. The one with the eye and then a long flat. So you'll notice here, you got some fat that runs like that. So you can actually take your finger and start to separate this. See? Take a knife, barely any effort. You want to cut this in half. Some nice little steaks. I'll set those off to the side. I'll take this, cut this here. Take that little tail off. About in half. There you go. Got 4 steaks out of that 1 chuck roast. It's got some good marbling in it. Like I said, I've paid about $5 a pound for this. Pull up here. Let's do this. Like I said, it basically separates itself. Go. Same with this here. This one's on the end, so it's a little rounded on the one side. We'll just cut that right here. These you can trim up, use them for stew. Can't beat that. So we're going to hit these up with some salt, fresh ground pepper, or granulated garlic. We'll let those sit. We'll get the Weber fired up. Once they hit 130 degrees internal, I pulled them off the grill, let them rest for about 5-10 minutes. And I'm thoroughly impressed how these look. If you invited somebody over and said, hey, we're having steaks tonight, and you told them you had ribeye and New York strip, I guarantee you 90% of the people would not know the difference. Slice these open, have a look here. Let's give the chuck eye, ribeye looking one a cut here. Now it's time to try it. It's the true test. We'll start with the Denver steak, the New York strip looking one. Cooked to perfection, if I do say so myself. Dude, it's ridiculous. Look. Pulls right apart. You could sell somebody that for 20 bucks. They wouldn't know. Most people wouldn't know. A lot of beefy flavor in that. Coming from the chuck. Now, we'll try the ribeye looking one. Chuck eye. Again, cooked good. Tender as all hell. It's definitely worth the money and the time. Well, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We have more videos coming out. Visit our website, crackscountrycooking.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, YouTube. I gotta go convince the wife that I didn't spend a lot of money on steak. See ya. Unbelievable.